Hey, welcome back to Missologist. I am now going to make my Mike Myers with non-alcoholic and no-calories gin alternative ritual. We're gonna see how that is, because so far it's been really good, but also different. But I've actually very much enjoyed it in all the cocktails I've had so far. So, I think I have enough lemon juice, but if not, I have more. I do a shot of lemon juice. Oh, and this is the Mike Myers, which is also known as a Blackberry Bramble. I made it up for Halloween, but not the Blackberry Bramble that was around already, but I changed the name to make it Halloween themed. I felt like Mike Myers deserved his own homage. Alright, a shot of blackberry mint syrup from Barmalade. It's really good. I highly recommend trying their products. If you get our box, you will get it. If you don't, check them out. Really good. Very natural. Had all fruit. And they stain your hand. No. Okay. So this is the ritual version. And so what we're going to do is put 2 shots of ritual in. That's how much gin I would normally do. Okay, and then we'll put some ice in, and we'll shake it just like we do normally. Now, my experience so far has been the ritual ends up with a bit more foam than the regular gin, so we'll see what happens. Now I'm gonna shake it. And now I'm going to strain it into one of these, because the reason being that I need to add soda water on top of this, because that's how you make a Blackberry Bramble. Yeah, it's foamier than normal, so pretty standard. Okay, and now we're going to take the soda water, and you can also add ice cubes, you can add a sprig of mint, you can add, whatever you want. Should taste good, we'll see. Oh yeah, it's really good. I don't know if I noticed a huge difference in this one, so far at least. It tastes like it did last time I made it with gin, whereby, you can taste the mint and the blackberry. You're not really getting any other flavors, because those are pretty strong flavors anyway. That's pretty much what I'm getting. Oh man, I don't know what it is, but you do get this really deep lemon flavor when you use the ritual, and I really, really like it. It just hits you, and it's so fresh and good. Smooth. It's really smooth. It's really good. So, okay, I gotta wash out my thingy, and I gotta eat a saltine. So, be right back.